Marhaba everyone, my name is Hajar and today we're diving right into the heart of Mesopotamia, Iraq, or how we call it in Arabic, Iraq. This country has an incredible history and a very special dialect of Arabic. Stick with me and by the end of this video, you will walk away with 10 useful Iraqi phrases that will make you sound more like a local and less like a tourist. Let's get into it. Iraq is often called the cradle of civilization. It's where Mesopotamia once thrived. The capital, Baghdad, or Baghdad, was once the center of the Islamic Golden Age. It was famous for its scholars, poets, and libraries. Iraq is also known for hospitality. If you visit, expect to be welcomed with chai, which is Iraqi black tea, and a lot of good dishes like masgoof, which is a fish from the rivers, or dolma, or kubba. But what really brings Iraq to life is the warmth of its people. And trust me, learning a few Iraqi phrases will open so many doors for you when you're visiting. The first phrase is assalamu alaikum. It means peace be upon you. It is a very common greeting word used in Iraq. The response is wa alaikum assalam, which means peace be upon you too. The second phrase is hala. Iraqis love adding warmth to anything they say. So you would hear on the street a lot of people saying, hala umri, hala habibi, hala ayuni. It's a very affectionate way to talk, and it means, hello my dear, hey my love, and so on. The third word that you need to know when visiting Iraq is shlonek for males and shlonich for females. This literally means, what is your color? But in Iraqi, it translates to, how are you? You can respond by saying, Zain alhamdulillah, which means, I'm good, thank God. The fourth word that you need to know is arid. Arid hada, arid hi. In many countries, they use abgha or aba. But in Iraq, we say arid, which means I want. So for example, if you're pointing at something at a shop or a cafe and you say, arid hada, it means I want this. The fifth phrase that you need to know is ibchem hada or jged sara. This means how much is it? And you can use it in any market that you're in. The sixth word is bala zahma. Bala zahma literally translates to if I'm not bothering you. It's a very polite way of saying please. So for example, you can say وين الحمام بلا زحمة? Where is the bathroom, please? من فضلك for males or من فضلك for females. The seventh word that you need to know is shukran or mamnoon. They both translate to thank you, and mamnoon is especially common in Iraq. The response to this will be afwan, which means you're welcome. The next word that you have to know is ya ma'awad. This one is super Iraqi. It's used when you're surprised, when you're frustrated, or when you're joking around with your friends. Depending on your tone, it can mean, come on, or seriously, or give me a break. And the next phrase is shaku maku. This is another one that is super Iraqi. This one literally means, what's up? You can say it to anyone to impress them. The last one that you need to know is fi amanillah. It's a very common way of saying goodbye, and it's very heartfelt because it means in God's protection. And there you go. You have now 10 phrases that you can use when you're in Iraq to show respect and blend in. The Iraqi dialect is fun, expressive, and full of character. Learning even a little bit goes a long way, and the locals love it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and of course, subscribe. And please let me know in the comments, which Arabic dialect should we cover next? Arabic isn't just a language. It's a collection of cultures, stories, and dialects. So if you're ready to start learning, check the link in the description and we will guide you step by step. Thanks for watching and see you next time. مع السلامة. في أمان الله.